How's it? It's Brendan here from Infinity, and with the rest of the team there's Joe, Ricky, Connor, Jared and Kev, and Jared's father-in-law Jonathan. We're coming to check out Briar Cliffs here in Atlanta. The location is phenomenal, and I think we can do something amazing with these apartments because the location's incredible. So the comparable units are selling for $250,000 to $300,000, and we're going to be in here at a post-renovation value, I think, of $180,000, somewhere around there. So there's lots of profit upside on these units, and some good rental income in place at the moment, and some great debt from the seller at 4.5%, I think it is. So let's go have a look at one of the units.
Make this fantastic.
Oh, this is big, eh?
Never been touched.
Never been touched. When did they build this? 60s.
Untouched for 30 years.
Yeah, the phone and the fax machine where they're supposed to go.
Yeah.
The fax machine.
Yeah. Never been changed.
So we'll open up this wall.
Yeah, it's just like
All new windows, eh?
one window.
So we budgeted what, 25 grand per renovation, yeah?
Is that right? 600 grand?
Yeah.
Total all in? Closer to 30, right?
Closer to 30, yeah.
Close to 30 grand.
Yeah, there's 22 units. 20 would be 30.
Okay. We're gonna do some Juliet balconies on the outside over there. What are we gonna stain the brick?
Yeah,
Like a-
paint the brick. Yep, new windows, new
What
doors.
color?
We'll do like a controlled access door, like a white. We'll put the shutters up.
Jared, tell me why you love this one.
Because the neighborhood's fantastic. I think it's under rented. I think you can add some tremendous value, make it look really, really good. And before you blink, the rents can be increased, and way north of 350,000 as a sale price.
Sure, I love it. We're buying it, 185 a door, all in.